class, ready for number 4? Number 4 is a little bit different. It says, what is each of the solutions below? Saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? It says all of the solutes are mixed with 100 grams of water. So it's saying that we can use our solubility curve. So letter A says I have 40 grams of NaCl at 50 degrees Celsius. So 3 different pieces of data are what I'm going to have to look at. I'm going to have to find 40 grams and 50 degrees Celsius. So let's do that first. So let's look at our solubility table. Let's see, here's 40 grams. All right, here's 50 degrees. I want to go to where those 2 points intersect. So if I draw a dot right there, 40 grams, 50 degrees Celsius. Now I need to look at, what was the compound? NaCl. All right, so if I look at this dot, I want to look at where is it relative to the NaCl line. So here's NaCl. Here's the saturation line of NaCl. So the dot that we found is above the saturation line. So that means it's more than saturated. Remember what we call that? We call that supersaturated. So that is going to, those conditions are going to give us a supersaturated solution. Okay? Let's look at one more. All right? Letter B says that we have 30 grams of NH3 at 30 degrees Celsius. Again, I'm going to find the place where those points meet. So 30 degrees Celsius, 30 grams. So let's see where that puts me. So I'm going to put a dot right there. 30 degrees, 30 grams. And then what compound was I looking for? NH3. So let's look at our graph and see if we can find, here's NH3, and it's pointing us to this dotted line. All right. So here's our dot, 30 grams, 30 degrees Celsius. It is below the line for NH3. That's the, remember, that's the saturated solution line. So below that line is going to be unsaturated. So letter B is an unsaturated solution. Saturated solution. All right. So take a look. There are 3 more of those for you to try, and I will see you soon.